You're exhausted. You've been lying in the dark for an hour. Your mind won't stop. What you reach for matters more than most people realize. Here is every sleep aid explained. Melatonin, a hormone your brain already makes. Taking it doesn't force sleep. It nudges your internal clock. Most tablets contain way more than your brain actually needs. More isn't better. It's just more. Diphenhydramine, the ingredient in Zizquil PM, suppresses REM sleep. Tolerance builds within 3 to 5 days. Long-term use linked to cognitive decline. Sold as safe, not as a habit. Doxylamine, found in NyQuil, same antihistamine family as diphenhydramine. Slightly stronger sedation, same problem. Poor sleep quality, next day grogginess, tolerance fast. Zolpidem, prescription, fast, effective. Some users sleepwalk, sleep eat, or sleep drive with zero memory of it. Many who start it short term can't sleep without it months later. Benzodiazepines, powerful, crush REM and deep sleep completely. You clock the hours without restoring the brain. Stopping suddenly can cause seizures. Effective short term, dangerous long term. Trizodone, an antidepressant repurposed for sleep. Feels like natural fatigue arriving early, not a drug. Doesn't suppress REM. Among prescription options, the safer choice. Magnesium, a mineral your nervous system already needs. Tension decreases, anxiety softens, sleep arrives naturally. No grogginess, no withdrawal. A foundation, not a solution. Valerian root, an herbal sedative used for centuries, increases GABA naturally. Mild, slow building effect. Works best with consistent use, not a one-night fix. CBD reduces anxiety and physical tension without sedating the brain directly. Doesn't force sleep, creates the conditions for it. No grogginess, inconsistent results depending on dosage and quality. Orexin blockers, the newest class. Don't sedate your brain. They block the chemical keeping you awake. REM preserved, deep sleep intact. The biggest shift in sleep science in decades. The faster it hits, the more it costs you later. Your brain is not a switch. Everything that tries to flip it leaves a mark.